with semi-finals against with top 4 by finale by Speed Chess Women's Championships 2026 without upcoming by finale here. With two games analyzed here with between by 16 years old International Master USA is Alice Lee by faces by clashing by PD Master in Greece is Anastasia Avramido here. And next second game by this one by Grandmaster in Kazakhstan with her boyfriend by Chavusky Sindarov is Bibi Sara Asabayeva versus by this one by Grandmaster China Hui Fan. So who has the win by proceed by this one by final battle here. So what do you think about these two games analyzed? So this is a brilliant sacrifice captured by strong in this movement by positional moves here. So let's see of this one with play chess here in this game. So good luck of the semifinals here. White Pieces by 16 years old International Master USA Alice Lee and versus Black Pieces by PD Master Graces and Natasha Avaramido. So I'm sorry I got late of this analyze, so I'm very tired, so it means I'm gonna rest as well. So watching that in my holding my gadgets here. So with the time clocks 5 minutes plus 1 seconds increment. So with the two games analyzed between by semifinals here. So after the semifinals 1, proceed by semifinals 2 here with a 3 minutes plus 1 seconds increment here. So not 2 seconds increment. So in this part of this videos here, in this semifinals here by top 4, and also have we analyze of these standings after the semifinals with Women's Speed Chess Championship. So good luck. So that proceed by this one by finale. So white plays Alice is knight f3, knight f6 by Alvaramido, c4, e6. So it means so without English opening Anglo-Indians king's knights variations here. And also pawns e3 by this one by Lee, d5 by Alvaramido attacks of this one with c4, and also knight c3 by Lee, and also bishop e7 without plannings by Avramido, without upcoming by next castling king side here by symbolize here, and also b3 by this one by Lee by next of bishop e2 by diagonals here by dark square here. So it is called by English opening Angli court defense without also without found these book lines here, and also castling by Avramido, and also bishop b2 by Lee without controls without bishop b2 by Alice. So it means for example, so it means bishop b2 diagonals against with queens with dark square against with also with diagonals with fianchettos attacks here. And also c5 by this one by Avramido with a 2 connected pass pawn here. But not yet ready by this one with captured against with according by Avramido to chooses by also with a pawn to c5. So because this is a chooses by this one by positional move. Captured by continue by Lee. Takes by Avramido. What a plans? Or maybe by next of this one with push d4 by plannings by Avramido here without controls. And also pawn d4. So no more by this one with d4 because this is a movement by Alice Lee. So this is a connected by this one with pass pawn which chooses by white pieces. C takes captured by Avramido. Knight takes captured by Lee without captured here. And also knight c6 continue by knight captured against with Avramido to threatening the knights here according by this one by between to same by this one with knights here. And also bishop e2 by Alice Lee without next of symbolized castling king side here. And also queen b6 by this one with Avramido without need by this one with knights and queens here. So without controls by strong by benefits by this one with queens here by Fide Master Avramido. So queens here. So the first knights threatening the knights here. So this is a part by this one with positional attacks. Knight takes continue by Lee here by Alice Lee. Takes by Avramido. And also symbolized castling king side by Alice Lee here with a castling king side. And also bishop e6 by this one with Avramido. What the plans here by also with that continue by bishop to e6. So according by this one with live streaming against with Grandmaster, so it means so with Grandmaster, so it means Grandmaster by this one by Jovanka Huska and also International Master by this one by Anna Rudolph So with that need by this one, so next up is one with rook c8 or maybe rook fc8. So next by this one with pawn to c5. So according by with International Master Anna Rudolph and Grandmaster Jovanka Kuska here. And also, so it means, so next by this one is rook c1 by this one by Lee. By also with that using by arrows here, by using by rook ac1, so according by Grandmaster Jovanka Huska and also International Master Anna Rudolph. So that also with that Grandmaster or maybe International Master here, so Grandmaster Anna Rudolph. So rook c1, so maybe by this one by next with knights here. For example, the knights. So with that also next up this one with maneuvers knight a4 by exchange maneuvers knight to c5 by next up this one with bishop to d4 because this is a more connected by this one with arrows with positional against with next exchange move to need by this one with knights bishop and rooks here. So need by this one by part of this one with continuations against with positional once on this computer. So we will need by this one by live streaming against with International Master Anna Rudolph and Grandmaster Jovanka here. And also Knight D7 by FIDE Master Aframido without need by this one. So for example, so without Knight D7 here by FIDE Master Aframido by next up maneuvers Knight to C5. So without controls here. So it means, so knight to d7, so this is a novelty by also no more book lines by disappearance. So FIDE Master Aframido. So this is the old main lines here by this one is rook ac8 is a old main lines here. So rook ac8 here. Because this is a chess master opening database by chess.com here. So it means rook ac8 is a old main line. So with that also new move is also knight d7 new move by Aframido no more book lines. Because this disappearance by book lines here by book because this is a knight, this is a novelty here. And also by Alice is knight a4 excelente. Because the knight a4 by Lee with that knights here with the idea to threatening the queens here. To targets against with disturbance going out the queens. And also queen backwards p7 by Aframido. So good precise by backwards here. And also queen d4 good move precise here by this one with continue against very strong move here. So need by positional against with continuations here. And also bishop f6 with that excellent by FIDE Master Aframido. So with that also with that bishop here, for example, if you movement by this one by bishop here by Aframido, with that pins against with diagonals because threatening the knights and pins against the bishop here. So this is a targets by attackers here. And also queen d2 by this one by Alice because the openings by queens here. So with that bishop here, so with that movement by bishop with the idea to threatening the bishop and also with that queens here by this one with threatening the defense by this one by bishop. So not threats, it's also about that defense by the belts here. And continue by this one by Aframido, bishop captured, queen takes by Lee, and also rook ac8, excellent controls by rook c5 with pins against with also below here. Because this is a continuations by this one by positional against with good movement here. And also knight c5 excellent with that also three types by triple attacks. This is a target, so queens, knights, and bishop. So this is a threatening the triple attacks here. And also knight takes captured by FIDE Master Aframido. So does not like of this computer, bad move with an even bad move. So the best move, this one is queen b4. This is a good better move with that idea to threat with that idea to first knights without threatening the knights here. First by this one by queen b4. So need by this one to realize to threatening the knights to attack this one here. So this is a according by etc computer. So this is a good score, slightly better score blocks here. So knight captured by this one by Aframido. So does not like captured here. And also rook captured by this one with Lee here by Alice Lee with the idea to rook c1 battery. So this is a controls by battery. So double rooks here. And also rook fd8, rook pairs against with Abramido, so good precise here. And also battery, rook fc1. So need by this one with rooks here with idea 2. So what the plans here? Or maybe by this one by b4, b5, attacks the pawn. So with that, also with a b4 by this one by rook captured here. With that pawns here, with the targets here. And also pawn h6 by this one by Abramido. And also queen c3, triple battery by International Master Alice Lee. So does not like of this computer by triple battery because this is a given bad move. So why Alice Lee bad move? Because the simplest question mark here. So this is a not disconnected by this one by queens here. With a symbolized with square root clearance by orange square root here. So the better, the best, apparently the best move this one is need by this one is bishop to d3. What? So it means bishop d3 is a better move. So this is a good for slightly better against with whites here. So with that queen c3, triple battery, what happened by Alice? So this is a given bad move. And also, queen e7, what the excellent by Abramido. So focusing by this one by FIDE Master Abramido. So with the needs of queen e7, with the idea to exchange move by this one by queen to g5, first the bishop here, we need bishop h3 to attack the pawns and also kings with checks. So this is a very dangerous by whites because very strongest against with blacks here. And also with that bishop a6 by d, with that also with a bishop a6 with the idea to threaten the rooks here. So maybe by rooks here with the attacks the pawns here. So continuation. So this is a positional move here. And also rook c7 by Abramido with the next of battery or maybe by next of rook d6 by this one with exchange move by rooks here by FIDE Master Abramido. And also queen e5 by Lee. So maybe controls by strong move. So another bad move by 16 years old Alice Lee here. So without also with the evolution bar here, so it means that the best move once of this computer is queen d4 is a better move. So according this one by Chetra Computer Engine, so this is a good for slightly better for whites because this is a look at see of this evaluation bar. So this is a good perfect shot here. So back there, this one is queen e5 by this one by Alice Lee, and also queen d6, queen to queen. So does not like of this computer X move. So the best move this one is strong d4, better move. But the best of d4 strong move. With that sacrifice is the sacrifice. So need by continuations by sacrifice. For example, if you e6 captured here, for example, if e6 captured and also rook c d7 battery attacks the pawns here. So this is a continuation by this one need by battery with that battery here by rook c d7 here, and also with that decided by rook captured here by this one by c6. So according this one by computer engine, so this is a goods for slightly better. So why is that the movement by rooks cd7? Because why the pawns here? If you live by pawns against develops the rook, so need by continue by rook captured here. So this is a goods for slightly better against with also without also with whites here. Okay. I mean black, sorry, I'm sorry I forgot something blacks here. So is the white pieces is very wrong. So with that back there, this one is queen d6 by this one with Abramido, challenge queen to queen. Queen takes accepted, rook takes, and also pawn b4 another against by bad move by Alice Lee. So without b4 here, so without defense by this one with rooks here. So why she bad move? So the better, the best, the currency move need by this one by backwards is bishop to d3 backwards, need by backwards here. So according this one by Chetra Computer, so this is a goods for slightly better for whites here. Okay. So without back there, this one is without b4 develops the rooks here and excelente d4. What a excelente good move. But the plus or maybe battery. So battery is a movement by this one with pawn d4. Strong move attacks the pawns here. And also, e takes captured. Rook captured with the idea to threatening the pawns. So that rook attacks the pawns here. So, and also, for example, in accept. So for example, in accept, why don't we bishop captured here by pawns, free pawns? It is okay. So the bishop captured a2 and also pawn to b5. Very strong move here. So it means so do not capture this pawn. So the pins against rooks here. So this is a terrible by very messing by this one there. So one rook down here with a b5. For example, if you rook captured here, for example, rook captured pawns d4. So rook captured d4 and also b takes captured c6. The b takes captured. So it means so if you rook captured here, so you rook captured and also rook captured. So it means devours the bishop here. So this is a good for slightly better for examples here. So well, after this one is rook captured by this one by Avaramido. So rooks with the idea to threaten the pawns here. And also with the idea by Alice is also b5. Look at see this one with bishop. So bishop is diagonalized by this one by light square against with bishop f1. So lead by this one with movement by this one with pawns lead by b5. So for example, so do not capture these pawns here. So this is a rooks by pins by rook. So this is a very terrible by messy parts here. And also by next of this one by Avramido is rook a4. So movement by this one by rook a4 by Avramido with the idea to threatening the bishop by sacrifice and threatening the pawns here. And also h3 by Alice Lee, rook captured pawns with that need by captured by Avramido. Rook takes by Alice Lee, threatening the challenge by rook to rook. Avoided rook e7. So for example, in accept, why don't we rook captured accepted? It's okay. If you rook capture c6, rook captured here, for example, if you rook captured, I'm sorry, this is a problem by virus. So it means rook captured c6 here, and also rook d2. So according this one by computer, so this is a good for slightly examples. Once of this computer. So back to this one is rook d7 by Avramido with idea to plannings by next exchange strong move rook d2, threatening the pawns here. And also Alice Lee is bishop c8 by Alice with idea to bishop plannings with threatening the rooks here. And strongest by this one by Avramido, rook d2. What the excellent! Because the rook here by movement by this one by Avramido with the idea to threaten the pawns here, and with the openings by challenge by light square against with bishop to bishop here. Okay, so the first guessing puzzles here. So what do you think about the strongest by 16 years old Alice Lee finding brilliant with a captured here? So first guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook captured e6, sacrifice brilliant. The rook! So it means live streaming by Gotham Chess without content creators here. So it means rook captured e6. So what a brilliant. Look at the evaluation bar, it is good. I'm sorry I got something my bad voice because it's very creepy. Very sore throat here. I have a bad voice. My very itchy my also with throats. So with that continue rook captured e6, what a brilliant. And also captured. So for example, so it means so if you capture this pawn, so this is a bishop here. So look at see the bishop check and also with the queens here. So look at see the examples. And also with f takes captured without sacrifice and excelente Alice Lee. Bishop captured, what the excelente 16 years old Alice Lee. Look at say the bishop without threatening with the check and without traps the rooks. You can see the diagonals with light square here. King h7 by this one by Aframido, and continue bishop captured rook. Rook takes. So that rook takes here. How many pawns with 4 connected pass pawn by Lee versus 3 connected pass pawn by Aframido. So connected by this one. And also rook c7 with a continuous very strong move here. And also rook b2 with the idea to rooks Aframido threatening the pawns. Attacks the pawns here. Develops rook b7 by Lee, and also king g6. G4, what the plans? Or next by f4. So next f4 is a movement by continuations here. King f6, practically active by Aframido, and also king g2 by Lee. Rook b3, and also f3. Backwards, rook b2 check by Aframido. King g3 by Lee, and also rook b4. h4 by Lee. Or maybe by this one by, I don't know what's the g5 moves here. So g5 here. Backwards, rook b3 by Aframido. King f4. What happened by Lee? So this is a given bad move. So the best move that was of this computer is h5. So h5 is a better move. So this is a good score once of this computer. Slightly better. So king f4 by Lee, by Alice Lee. Rook b4 check. But the X move by Aframido. So this is a very worst move. So the best ones of this computer is g5 check. So we'll check here. If you move by king g3 backwards here, and also without also g takes captured h4 with check, and also king captured pawns here, and also rook captured pawns. So this is a good score, slightly better for blacks here. So back to this one is without rook b4 check by Aframido, and also excelente Alice Lee king e3. Rook b3 check, so bad move by Aframido. So this is a mistake move from this computer engine, so does not like. So the best move this one is, once of this computer is h5 sacrifice. With a sacrifice here by h5. So this is a good score, slightly better for black. So h5 is a sacrifice. So with a back there is rook b3 check by this one by Aframido here. With the continuations here, and also king e4 by Lee, and also rook b4 check by Aframido, and also king d5, and also rook b3. What the plans by Aframido? Next by rook d3 check. So that's a part by this one we check here, and also king c6 by this one by Lee, and also rook c3 check by Aframido, and also king d7, and also rook b3 here. So for example, in accept, sir, why don't you rook captured? So if you rook captured f3, and also rook captured pawns, rook captured, and also rook b3 here. So rook b3 threatening the pawns. So this is a good for slightly better for examples here. So back to this one is rook b3 by this one by Aframido. King e7, another bad move by 16 years old Alice Lee. So the best move once of this computer is f4. I mean f4 is a best move without before by this one by g5 with check here. So this is a good for slightly better for whites. So back to this one is king c7 by this one by Alice Lee, and also g5. For example, so it means without kings here, so for example, movement by dark square, arrows, next arrows, without also next by this one with darkest by, without returning by this one with rotations here. For example, so it means if you move by kings here, king e5, next by this one by king f4 without attacks the pawns. So this is a continuous for examples here by according by Grandmaster Jovan Kauska and International Master Anna Rudolph here. Capture this pawn, king takes, and also king b8. What the plans? With a king captured here by pawns here, or maybe by this one by rook here. Rook captured here. So realize here. And also rook captured pawns, and also rook g7 check here. So for example, Sir, why don't we rook captured? If you rook captured a7 and also rook b3, without also with the dangers without threatening the pawns and pins without also connected by check here. And also with against with rook a5. Develops here by this one with pawns. So this is a good first examples by once of this computer advantage. So it means so 20 seconds by Lee versus 8 seconds by Avramido. So almost by dying seconds here. So back there is rook g7 check by Lee, by Alice Lee, and excelente king f6 threatening the rooks, and also rook captured pawns, and rook b3. What the another excelente. Also with that movement by rook b3 by this one by Avramido, threatening the pawns, and with a check connected here. With a check here. Without connected by this one, and also without also rook b7 develops the pawns, and also king g5 attacks the pawns with g4. Also rook g7 check by Alice Lee, king f6, and also with a go back, king g5, and also b6. King takes captured by Avramido, rook g7 check, and also king h4. What happened? You can see the lowest evaluation bar by Avramido. What happened? So it means so this is a mistake move. So does not like of this computer. So the best ones of this computer, king must be active. King f3 is a correct move. So this is a good for slightly better here. So back there, this one is king h4 by this one by Avramido here, and also b7 by Lee. What the excellente here. And also h5 by Avramido, and also king c8. What the plans? Without plans here, without move by before promotes by this one, choose rook or queens here. So this is a movement by rooks here, because this is a protection against rook. And also king h3, another bad move by Avramido. So what happened? So the best move this one is rook c3 check. So c3 check here. If you king d7 here, movement, and also another rook d3 check. So that check here, and also king to c7. So this is a good for slightly better score. Without blacks before of this one with rook c3 check. So this is a connected with check here. So back there is king h3 by this one by Avramido here, and also promotes by b8 queen. Rook captured, king takes, so no more rooks here by Avramido. So one connected pass pawn, and rooks and kings here without except the kings. And also h4, another with a king c7, excellent by Alice, and also king h2. Another against movement, jump, kings, jump. Wait, is that here? Oh, excellent by this one by Alice Lee. That's 4 movement here. And also h2. Okay, h2 here. And also king g3, another excellent by Lee. King g1, and the last move, opening with check, king h3 check, knocked out against FIDE Master and Natasha Avramido. So it means elimination. So without also lose by Greece. Okay, congratulations by Alice Lee. Proceed by this one by finale here. Okay, so the next of semifinals 2, so next proceed by next games here. Okay, so next of semifinals 2 here. So White Faces with their boyfriend by Jafos Kirsindarov is Grandmaster Kazakhstan is Bibisara Asabayeva versus Black Pieces by Grandmaster China Hu Yifan. So without 3 minutes plus 1 seconds increment here. So without game 10. So good luck between Bibisara and Hu Yifan. So it means next proceed by finale against joined by Alice Lee here. So White plays Asabayeva is e4, c5 Hu Yifan Sicilian, knight f3 d6, and also pawn d4, exchange variation, knight takes, and also knight f6 by Hu Yifan, and also knight c3 by Bibisara, and also pawn a6 by Nomar. By this one is bishop here. So no more bishop b5 with check here. So it means so this is a connected by this one with pass pawn here. So it is called by this one by Najdorf here. And also bishop e3 by this one by Bibisara here. And also pawn a6 by Hu Yifan. So I'm not sure by this one by next of this one with e5 or maybe by d4. So this is exchanged by plannings here. And also, f3 develops the pawns by Bibisara. So it is called by opening spook line Sicilian defense open Scheveningen English attacks here with number 7 by f3. So this is a part by next of f3. So f3 by connected by f3 pawns here. And also, pawn b5 by this one by Hui Fan. Without next of b4. So b4 very strong move by connected to connected. So it means this is a a5 with an a5 movement here. And also, queen d2 by Bibisara by next of symbolized left side castling queen side here. And also, bishop b7 so made by diagonals here. So this is a good diagonals here with a bishop here with a leg square against fianchetto attacks with pins against with hooks here. So with that, let's review by this one this pawn. With that pawn b5 for example, so it means pawn b5. So pawn b5 by next fianchetto's bishop b7 or b4 by this one with b4. Threatening the knights and with that connected by a5 here. So with that queen d2 by this one by Bibisara, bishop h7 by this one by Hui Fan. So with that fianchetto's attacks here. And also g4, what a strong by GM Bibisara. What a plans or maybe g5. So with a g5 or next h4. So this is connected by this one with very strong, powerful. And also knight c6 by this one by Hui Fan by attacks the knights here without plannings with the attacks. So without need by attackers. And also g5 excellent strong move by Bibisara. So maybe by this one by h4 without also with that g5 threatening the knights here with that connected here. And also knight d7 by this one by Hui Fan. What the plans? Or maybe by this one by this knight to b6 or knight to c5. So this say connected by this one by maneuvers here. And also pawn h4, what the excelente by this one by Bibisara here. Or maybe for example, we need exchange by plannings by g6 or h5 here. So this is a pawns. And also rook c8 controls by rook c5. So this is a bad move by Hui Fan. So does not like of this computer. So the one's computer accuracy the best decided is strongest b4. Attacks the knights here. So according this one by etc. So need provides here. So this is a good for slightly better for blacks. So back to this one is rook c8 by this one by Hui Fan and symbolized left side castling queen side by this one by Bibisara. And also queen a5 with a strong move here, so another bad move by Hui Fan here. So also with a queen a5. So it means so the best of this accuracy move once of this computer engine is knight ce5 here. So knight ec5. So according this one by computer, so this is a good for advantage for blacks here. Okay, so back to this one is queen a5 by this one by Hui Fan. King b1, properly active move. So this is a worse move by Bibisara. So the correct move is a3 pawns. So that's a3. So according this one, so need provides here. So this is a good for slightly white's advantage here. So back to this one, king b1 properly active by GM Bibisara. And also knight ce5, another third times bad move by Hui Fan. So this is the third time. So the best move is b4 again. What happened by Hui Fan? So this is a good for black's advantage. So back there is knight to ce5 with another third times bad move. Knight b3 by this one by Bibisara with a connected knight b3 attacks the threatening the queens here. So this provides by attacks. Backwards queen c7 by Hui Fan and also rook h3. So this is a Mr. Blunder Gracious. Oh my god. So what happened by this one by double question mark? So it means so the best move is f4. What a strong miss by this one by Bibisara. With an f4 threatening the knights here. So for example, if you knight g4 here with a movement with an idea to threaten the bishop here. And also bishop to d4. Okay, bishop d4. So So according this one by Chetra Computer, so this is a good score, slightly advantage for whites. Okay, so back to this one is another blunderacious double question mark rook h3 by Bibisara and excelente b4. What happened? So this is a very late move by Grandmaster Hui Fan. So excelente h4 with idea to threatening the knights here. And also knight d5. So it is not about sacrifice what happened by Bibisara. So nothing special here. So it means with knights here by threatening the pawns. So need provides here. So this is a incorrect move. What happened by Bibisara? So the correct move is knight a4 is a correct move, not knight d5 sacrifice. So this is a good for slightly better before bishop here. So before bishop without needs by this one by movement. I don't know what's the bishop d5. I don't know what's the bishop b6 here. So need by connected by arrows with it more of this with dark square against diagonals here. So this is a good for slightly better for whites here. Okay, so back to this one is knight d5, threatening the queens here and captured one piece down against Bibisara because the captured against with Hui Fan, so this is a more captured here. And also e takes captured by Bibisara and also bishop e7 with idea to plannings by Hui Fan without castling inside here, right side here. And also f4 look at c by Bibisara, late move because the f4, so need by this one, so don't forget by f4 because the late move against with gm with Bibisara. And also knight c for another excelente by Hui Fan. Idea threatening the queens and bishop. But more by this one by double attacks. Bishop captured, queen takes, and also rook h2 without movement by also without controls by second rank. Without bank rank here. So without movement by the defense by pawns and also the queens because the realize here. So this is a continuation here by determinations. So this is a parts of this one with privates here. And symbolized by Hui Fan, castling king side here by GM Hui Fan. And also knight a5 by Bibisara. So without knight a5 with idea to plannings with knights with a threatening the bishop or threatening the queens here by plannings by this one with movement by maneuvers against to making by job against with knights by this one by GM Bibisara here. Without backwards, queen b5 by Hui Fan without idea to disturbance by eliminates the knights here. And Bibisara is knight go back b3 with knight go back b3 here and also rook fe8 by Hui Fan here and also h5 without pawns here. So this is a new move by Bibisara. Novelty by this one by without computer. So this is the old main lines here by this one is so need by this one by computer stockfish database with old main lines is queen e2. So queen e2 is the old main lines with the idea to threat the queens here. So queen e2 is the old main lines. Also with a new move h5, novelty by this one by Bibisara here. And also with that backwards bishop to here, bishop to f6 here. Need by this one by defense by the devils here. So with that no more by this one with here by h6 here because this is a devils by this one by bishop here. With the continuations here. And also g5, I mean g6, sorry. With a g6. So with a g6 without continuations here, so with a g6 by this one by Bibisara. So with the attacks, the very strong, powerful here. Okay, so the second puzzle, what do you think about the Grandmaster Hui Fan strongest by Brilliant? Brilliant captured here. So second puzzle, so while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Queen captured excellent, brilliant. What a brilliant sacrifice here by Grandmaster Hui Fan. Look at double exclamation mark. Brilliant sacrifice queen here. Second brilliant by semifinals 2 here. And also bishop d4. So for example, sir, why don't we queen takes captured accept this? Okay, so queen takes captured here. And also with bishop captured here, d5. And also with that, also g takes, g takes here, g takes captured with check. Because it is called by umbrella, with the umbrella here. And also king captured here, for example, the king captured, and also with the decided by this one is rook captured here. One piece down. So one piece down here, so 4 minors versus 4 minors. So this is a goods for slightly better here against with the advantage here by examples, by computer engine. So we'll factor this one, why coverings by this one with bishop to d4 against by Grandmaster BB Sara Asabayeva here. And also with the next of h3, h6 here. So h6 a very semi-close by push against with Hui Fan, so never by capture. Queen captured b4. Okay, so queen captured b4. Need by this one by divorce the bishop and idea. I don't know what's the trust the bishop here. So need by queen's defense the bishop here. And also capture this pawn takes. So it is called by umbrella. So umbrella pawns here. So realize here. So need interchange by this one. So according by international Grandmaster Jovadka Huska and Grandmaster Arthur next month. With that, also with a boy here. With the males here. And also queen e4. Or maybe with an idea to threatening the pawns and threatening the pawns here. This is a double attacks here. With a double attacks. And also rook ht2 by this one by BB Sara, and also d5 by Hui Fan. Look at see the below evaluation bar, blunderatious. Because the also with the pawns, with the openings with bishop, with the idea to threaten the queens here. So threatening the queens. So the best accuracy, the best move once of this computer is need by bishop to 8a. Bishop a8 is the correct move. Look at see the evaluation bar, highest, strongest. What a miss by Hui Fan. Bishop a8. So this is a good for slightly better for blacks. I don't know what's the battery. So almost by lose by battery. So back to this one is d5. What a blunder ratios with the openings here. The openings by this one with pawns with the idea to bishop threatening the queens. So threats the queens here. And also with the BB Sara here. Queen a5. What happened? What happened by below evaluation bar? What happened? So what a miss by this one is queen captured here. Bishop. What a miss by this one by BB Sara. I don't know what's the miss here. So it means, look at C, evaluation bar. Perfect. What a miss by BB Sara. What happened? So it means, so this is a goods for slightly better for whites. So it means, what happened by BB Sara? Why you move queen a5? So queen a5, so it means queen captured bishop here. What happened? So what a miss by BB Sara. And also, queen captured pawns. And also bishop to c3 by this one by BB Sara, and also knight c5 with Hui Fan attacks the knights. Knight captured, rook takes, attacks the queens, and also queen a4 with a, also ignorance here by this one by BB Sara. So almost 3 seconds by BB Sara and 43 seconds by Hui Fan. So this is a very 9 seconds here. And also rook e4, what a strong, powerful by Hui Fan. Because the rooks with idea to threatening the queens, so without disturbance here. And also queen d7. So for example, so do not move by queen a3, blunder ratios. So queen a3, and the problems is, look at C, rook cc4. Look at see the evaluation bar. So this is a very, very strong highest. So it means with idea to bishop, so it means threatening here. So threatening the queen. So it means, for example, so if you queen here by this one by here, b3, or maybe with the idea to threatening the bishop here. And also with that also movement by this one with bishop c6. So bishop c6, or maybe by this one by bishop a4, queenless. Queenless here. So need by focusing by this one with white pieces. So that chooses by queen d7 by BB Sara, threatening the bishop. And also queen f7, challenged by this one by queen to queen. And avoided queen d8. So for example, sir, why don't we capture queen captured? Is okay. If you queen captured, king captured. So this is a good for slightly advantage, for example. So another. So do not move queen captured bishop blunderations. What happened? Queen captured, one piece down. So that also lose by this one with whites here. So after this one, chooses ignorance by queen d8 by Bibisara. And also rook e8. Excelente by Huifan, threatening the queens. Another queen h4. Rook captured, sacrifice. So look and see the sacrifice here by Brilliant. Another brilliant sacrifice by GM Huifan. Captured, one piece down here. And also bishop c6 by Huifan. King a1. So for example, let's review here. So it means without bishop c6, without openings, with idea to rook here b8 with check. So look and see the check. So with a check, or maybe by queen here by b7 with check. With a check here. So also with the king a1 by Bibisara, bishop e7 threatening the queens, and also queen g3 by Bibisara, bishop f6, what the plans, or maybe by bishop here, movement by this one with bishop with the idea to threaten the pawns, check, and that also traps here. So look at see that traps with a check here. And also rook d3 exposed by supports by develops the bishop, pawns, sorry. Rook c8. Is that rook c8? Oh, rook c8 by this one by Huifan. And also rook e1. Okay, rook e1 by this one by Bibisara. Bishop b5 by Huifan, threatening the rooks. So threats the rooks here. And also battery, rook d3 by this one by Bibisara. And also d4 by Huifan, strong, powerful, without pawns here, with the idea to threats the rooks here. So need by attacks here. And also rook e5 by Bibisara, sacrifice. What happened? Is that, huh? Why rook e5? So it means this is a lowest evaluation bar. What happened? So the continuations here. So with the problems by evaluation bar. And also with the movement by this one completes here by this one by bishop capture, one piece down here. So another explain, for example here. So in accept, sir, why don't we rook captured here? We rook captured c3, with the idea to threats the queens here, and also queen g2. So queen g2, if you pawn d3, for example, if you pawn d3, attacks the pawns here, and also the idea to queen a8 check. So check here, and also king h7. So according this one by etc. computer, so this is a advantage once of this computer. So back there is bishop capture, one piece down by Bibisara because bishop captured by Huifan here. And also capture this pawn by bishop here. So almost by 3 minors versus 2 minors. So almost 1 seconds by Bibisara. Almost running out of time, and 26 seconds by Huifan. Rook captured c3, threatening the queens. Queen g4 attacks the pawns. Rook captured pawn. And also e6 threatening the queens. And also queen c7, e7. What happened? So look at see the lowest evolution bar, blunder ratios. Bad move. So the need by miss is queen capture. What a miss. Queen capture d4. So back there is e7, and the last move with the also knocked out is queen c3, upcoming by threatening mating net, resigns by Bibisara, knockout. So why she resigns, for example, if king b1 only move, and with the murderer is queen here b2, matigabing massacre mating. Okay, so it means congratulations by Huifan. Proceed by joining by Lee of this finals, by finale. Okay, so the next of this one, with the finals of women's speed chess between Huifan versus Alice Lee. Good luck of this one with games here. So I will choose by 1 games or 2 games analyzed. Okay, so I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Mark Log 17, aka Icon Mark 17, aka Mark Log 17 here. So have a good day, keep safe, and don't forget to subscribe and notification bells. Mark Log 17 English only, and Mark Log 17 Part 2 Tagalog Cebuanos. And don't forget by views here by this one, by videos, and likes and comments and share by this one. So keep updates of this next chess updates. Happy Sunday and bye bye.